Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your BF11 or NH13 camera has stopped responding, won't reconnect to the app, or you're preparing it for a new Wi-Fi network, a reset is often the fastest way to restore normal operation. Resetting clears the previous connection information and returns the camera to its default setup mode, making it easier to pair again. Before you begin, make sure the camera has enough battery power so the reset process isn't interrupted. Let's go through the reset process step by step. 1. Charge the camera to at least 50% before starting the reset. 2. Locate the small reset button on the camera body or behind the protective cover. 3. Press and hold the reset button for about 8 to 10 seconds until the status light begins flashing. 4. Wait for the camera to restart, then remove the old device from the companion app if it's still listed. 5. Pair the camera again by adding it as a new device and reconnecting it to your 2.4 GHz Wi Fi network.